Okay, everybody, we have the brand new nude color high heel ankle strap sandals. You can see the strap right there. That's very hot. These are going for $153. These come 12 to a lot. And so let's see, we're going to do some real quick math here. So we're going to do 153.37 divided by 12. We're going to get, these are going to be about, you're going to get them for about $12.78 a piece. And another thing I want to show you is we have free shipping. So the shipping's already included, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't need a sales certificate. A lot of times you need, your EIN and a sales certificate and all that stuff. Don't worry about that. We have you covered. All you need to do is just get over to the website. You can see that these are the different sizes. We have 1 and the 5, 2 and the 6, 3 and the 7, 4, 8.5s, 1 size 9 and 1 size 10. So that would equal your 12. Let's see if there's anything else of interest. Let's see. No, I don't think there's anything else. But I just want to show you, you can look and you can see that there's different, these are the different kinds. You can see these are going anywhere from 30 to $100. So, I mean, you can easily sell these. Like I say in all my videos, you can sell these on Poshmark. You can sell them on Mercari. You can sell them on eBay. You can sell them on your boutique. If you have a Shopify store, wherever you want to sell them, you can sell them. We're here to help you. We already taken care of the hard part. We've got the supplies for you. We've already did the math so we can see that these are profitable for you. So if you want these wholesale lots, you need to get over here and get them now while the getting is good. And we have some other treats prepared for you. Tomorrow I'm going to be putting out some more stuff. Well, every day we're going to be putting out some more stuff. But tomorrow I have some real goodies. And so what I want you to do is I want you to smash that like button. And I want you to subscribe to this channel so you can see these new videos as they come out. So that way you'll be prepared. You'll know what's coming out. You'll be ready. You can get your Instagram profiles up and running. Start your Pinterest and everything. Get your business started. Start some YouTube videos. We also have our phone number up here if you need to call. So with all of that being said, get your business up and running now before Christmas gets here. Thank you, and I'm out.